As a property owner in today's turbulent economic climate, it is vital to ensure your rental income is safe and secure. Most landlords do their best to lease their properties to the most reliable tenants. But the fact is, external circumstances can impact a tenant's ability to stand by their agreement. Unfortunately, unpredictable tenants are a reality. Whether due to job loss, accident, divorce, illness, death, domestic dispute, or just poor cash management, you may need to go through lengthy and expensive eviction proceedings to protect your investment. This will cause loss of rental income that could have lasting and devastating implications for you, especially if you have mortgage commitments on your property or rely on your rental income to service regular outgoings. In a leasing industry of over 37 million renters that loses an estimated $5 billion every year due to defaults, ask yourself, what would happen if your tenant simply couldn't pay the rent? Whether you own a large portfolio of properties or just a single investment, and if you have ever worried about the safety and security of your rental income, then you need Guardian Rent. Guardian Rent is a revolutionary patent-pending rental warranty program that empowers landlords and property managers to manage risk and mitigate losses caused by rent default, the single most common and injurious issue for all landlords. Developed by seasoned real estate and insurance professionals, Guardian Rent will ensure you no longer have to worry about unpaid rents or eviction costs ever again. For a low annual premium starting at just $199 per year, Guardian Rent is a complete solution to risk management for the leasing industry, protecting your rental income regardless of your tenant's circumstances. If you qualify, we provide assurance of up to 3 to 6 months unpaid rent reimbursed in a calendar year, plus eviction expenses coverage that will ensure your financial safety throughout the legal process. Guardian Rent. Unique, revolutionary income protection for property owners. To find out more, please visit us online at www.guardianrent.com.